Right. So so the matrix question, right? So the matrix question says they have given three matrices, that is A, you get 2A3, you get -1B2, then you have B, which is 1 minus 1A, 1B0, then you have a P where that is 4120, right now. Then they are saying us to so it is given that AB transpose is equal to P. So they have given this. Where B transpose denotes the transpose matrix of B, show that A equals 1 and B equals -1, right? So we need to find A and B. So these are the unknown. So let's see. So now A into B transpose. So that is what? 2A3 minus 1B2 into B transpose. That is the rows and columns get interchanged. That is 1 minus 1A, 1B0. Right. So this is 2 into 3. This is 3 into 2. So you will get 2 into 2. Right. So this is basically A B transpose. Correct. No? So let's see what we can get. What answer we get. So how do you do this? You multiply this by this. So that is what? 2 times 1 is going to be 2. Then 1 times -1 is going to be minus A. 3 times A is going to be plus 3. So here the next one is going to be what? This in terms of this times this. That is 2 into 1 is going to be 2. A into B is going to be AB. Then 3 times 0 is going to be 0. So no need to write the 0 down. Then it will be what? Then it will be this thing into this thing. That is what? So -1 into 1 is going to be -1. B into -1 is going to be -B. 2 into A is going to be 2A. Correct, no? Then we get what? -1 into -1 is going to be -1. B times B is going to be B square. And 2 times 0 is going to be 0. So we will get this, no? Then what? So this is equal to what? This is equal to P. 4120. Right? So here we can write this as what? 2 plus 2A. Right? So I'll write the answer here. So I can get 2 plus 2A as 4. No? Correct? Right? So then I will get what? 2A equals 2. So A is going to be 1. Right? So then I can get B. I can get B from here. No? But what's the problem there? So the problem is we get a B squared. So then you will get B squared equals 1. But then B squared can be then -1 or 1. So that's not a good. That's not a finite answer. No? So it is fine. So you don't get a concrete answer there. Therefore, I'll be using this, so that I can get -1 minus B plus 2A equals 2. No? So 2A is going to be 1. So this is going to be 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled off, then what? B becomes minus 1. Is that the answer we want? Exactly. So we have found A and B, right? Alright, so we come up to here. Then what? Then they are asking with these values of A and B, find B transpose into A. Okay, so now so what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute these values. So I'm going to put A is going to be 1, B is going to be minus 1, then B is going to be minus 1, A is going to be 1. So that's basically what we want. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1 minus 1. Yeah, exactly. So now what are they asking? So they are asking us to find B transpose A, right? So if I take B transpose A, that is what? So I need to get the transpose here anyway. 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0 times A, that is 2 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 2. So this is 3 by 2, this is 2 by 3. So you will get a 3 by 3 matrix, correct? No? So let's see the answer we'll get. So what do I need to do? I multiply this by this. That is what? 2 times 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Then this by this. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Then I get 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Then here it's going to be what? Minus 1 into 2 is going to be minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 is going to be plus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into plus 1 is going to be plus 1. So minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 minus 2. Then 2 0. So 0 times this is anyway 0. So 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times minus 1 is going to be 0. 1 times 3. So this is what we get now. So what do we get here? So we get 1 here, 0 here, 5 here. Correct now? Then we get minus 1 here, 0 here, minus 5 here. Then we get 2 here. So then this thing is anyway there. 2 1. So this is the answer that they asked. Right? Right. So what are they asking next? So they are asking us to find P inverse. Right? So let's find P inverse. Right, so what is P inverse now? I can write P times P inverse as I know, or you all can use the inverse formula, right? This is more safe, so I'm going to use this. Even if you all don't remember the P inverse formula, you can use this and get the answer. 2 0 times A B C D equals 1 1. So then you will get what? 4 times A is going to be 4A plus C. Then 4 times B plus D. 2 times A, because this 0 is going to be 0. 2 times B. 1 0 0 1. Right now? So you get A as 0 no? Because if you compare these, so you get you get what? 2a equals 0. That means a is 0. Here you will get 2a plus c is 1. So sorry, 4a plus c is 1. So a is 0. That means c is 1. Right? Then you get b. So 2b is 1. That means b is half. Then you get this. 4b plus d is equal to 0. That means what? That means d is equal to 4b. That means d is what? D is minus 2. Right now? So this is now this is the P inverse. This is right now. So you get the P as what? So you get the P inverse as. So what is A? A is going to be 0. B is going to be half. Then C is going to be 1. D is going to be minus 2. Right? So we are asked to find A inverse. So that is done. Right? Right. So what are they asking next? So they said write down P inverse and using it find the matrix Q such that PQ equals Q squared plus 2y. Right? Okay. So they are specifically telling to use P inverse. So remember that. So then they are asking us to find Q. So they have given PQ is equal to P square plus 2y. So now because we know P inverse, we can actually use it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put P inverse to every part now. Right? So here this will become I. Then I will get Q. So here this is basically P inverse P into P now. So that is one of the P inverse P is going to be I. Right? So if it's going to be P inverse P into P plus, so P inverse I is going to be P inverse. So this is also going to be I. This is also going to be an I, you know. So basically Q is going to be P plus 2P inverse. Correct now? So what is P? 4, 1, 2, 0. 2 times 0 half 1 minus 2. So you will get, right? So what will you get? So I'll write the answer here. So you will get Q as, so 4 times 2 times 0 is going to be 4. So then you get 1 plus 1 is going to be 2. 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Then 0 plus 2 times minus 2 is going to be minus 4. So this is the answer you will get. Yes, so this is the answer you will get for Q. Right now? So that basically ends the matrix question as well.